What's up, folks? Chilling here with the AC blowing cold before I head home. But got another video here brought to you by the Mechanic's Diary. Stay tuned.
Units, Twin Peaks, shots fired, several units down.
And for any other units that can head towards Twin Peaks, shots fired, subject down.
So anyways, here's a video, well, an updated video in regards to the AC job that I was doing, and here's a short clip of it. And showing you my project. This is actually the dash of the vehicle here that's inside, or actually right here. No dash. The evaporator core that sits inside the air box. It goes right inside there. So I got the new one inside here, and basically I'm going to call it a night and take care of this first thing tomorrow morning. So everything was kind of a complete mess. Well, actually everything was taken apart, but here goes the clip afterwards. Alright guys, Steve here again, and after all that madness, went ahead and put the dash back in, and this is the same vehicle. Evaporator core right there. TRD truck. Right now what I'm doing is replacing the condenser, put the lines in tomorrow, and yeah, here's the dash. And basically new condensers in, and lines still disconnected. Tomorrow's project is changing the high and low side lines. And so first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to go ahead and start on the outside, which is around the engine, replacing the high and low AC lines, new compressor with new clutch, the speed sensor, or actually the lockup sensor, and as you can see, I'm already done with the condenser. So that's my job for tomorrow, and hopefully this car gets out before the weekend so I could enjoy my Saturdays and Sundays a little bit better. But anyways guys, thanks for watching the Mechanic's Diary. Please stay tuned for the next video. I'll post some weird and unusual shit and some content that's not even related to my title, or my opening intro title there. But anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned.